When the power goes out for good and the supply chain collapses, the food in your freezer will spoil within days. What you have left is what is sitting on your pantry shelves. And if you chose those cans wisely, you could eat well for months, maybe years. Here are 15 canned foods you actually need for a true SHTF scenario. So let's get started. Number 15, canned pumpkin. Let's start with one most people completely overlook: pure canned pumpkin. Not the sugary pie filling, the real stuff. This is an absolute nutritional powerhouse that can sit on your shelf for 3 to 5 years without blinking. We are talking about a massive dose of vitamin A essential for immune function and vision, both of which take a hit during stressful times. But here is what makes pumpkin truly strategic. It is incredibly versatile. You can stir it into soups for thickness and nutrients, mix it with oats or rice for a surprisingly good breakfast, or even make a simple pumpkin soup with nothing but water, salt, and whatever spices you have left. The fiber content is exceptional, helping you feel full longer and keeping your digestion moving when your diet has shrunk to grains and canned meat. Palate fatigue is a real danger in long-term emergencies. The natural sweetness and smooth texture of pumpkin breaks up the monotony in a way that feels like a treat, not a survival ration. Stock at least a dozen cans. They are cheap, they last forever, and your body will thank you when fresh vegetables are a distant memory. Number 14 is canned chicken, and this is your primary lean protein workhorse. A single 12.5-ounce can delivers around 40 grams of complete protein, giving your body all the essential amino acids it cannot make on its own. In a crisis, maintaining muscle mass and energy depends on adequate protein, and canned chicken is already cooked, ready to eat cold, straight from the can, and incredibly mild in flavor. That mildness is its superpower. Tuna can get old fast. Chicken blends into anything. Toss it with pasta, mix it into beans, stir it into soups, or just season it and eat it as is. The texture is tender and shreds easily, which matters if someone in your group is sick, elderly, or struggling to chew. The liquid in the can isn't waste either. It can flavor rice or reconstitute dried vegetables. Look for multi-packs at Costco or Sam's Club to bring the per-con price down significantly. I know canned chicken costs more than dried beans, but the convenience, shelf stability of 3 to 5 years, and zero cooking requirement make it worth every penny. I recommend at least 24 cans per person for a solid 3-month supply. Number 13 is the classic, canned tuna. This has been sustaining people through hard times for over a century for good reason. It is cheap, available everywhere, and packed with lean protein and omega-3 fatty acids that keep your brain sharp when stress is trying to dull it. A single 5-ounce can gives you over 20 grams of protein. The shelf life is exceptional. Most cans stamped with a 2 to 3 year date will stay perfectly safe and nutritious for years past that if kept cool and dry. Here is the strategy. Buy both water-packed and oil-packed tuna. Water-packed is leaner and better for everyday rotation. Oil-packed gives you those crucial extra fats and calories when physical labor is burning through your energy reserves. Chunk-light tuna generally has less mercury than albacore, so consider that when buying in bulk. Tuna can be eaten with a fork right from the can, flaked into rice and beans, or mixed with a little salt and spices for a quick meal. It is lightweight, portable, and in a world where paper money means nothing, a can of tuna is a fantastic barter chip. Stock it deep, but rotate it with other proteins so you're not eating it every single day. Number 12, canned salmon. If you want the shelf-stable protein with the absolute best nutritional profile, canned salmon is it. Salmon provides even more of those crucial omega-3 fatty acids than tuna, with less worry about mercury. Many brands pack the fish with the skin and soft, edible bones still inside. I know that sounds strange, but those bones are a massive, easily absorbed calcium boost that is nearly impossible to get from other survival foods. When fresh dairy is gone, that calcium keeps your nerves and muscles working. Alaska pink salmon is often the most budget-friendly option in the U.S., delivering incredible nutrient density for the price. The flavor is rich enough to eat on its own, but it also turns a bowl of rice or pasta into something that feels like a real, thoughtful meal. Those healthy fats are your silent ally in a long-term crisis where poor nutrition can spike your risk of chronic disease. Yes, it costs more than tuna, but the nutritional benefits make it a worthy addition. Aim for at least 12 to 18 cans in your stockpile. Number 11 is Spam, and I already know some of you are making a face, but hear me out. This canned cooked pork product was literally designed to feed soldiers and civilians through wars and economic collapses. A single 12-ounce can contains over 1,000 calories and a massive hit of protein and fat. It requires zero refrigeration and no cooking at all, though frying a slice in a skillet until the edges get crispy transforms it completely. The typical shelf life is 2 to 5 years, and I've heard from plenty of preppers who've opened decade-old Spam that was still perfectly edible. That high-calorie density makes it ideal for days when you're doing hard physical labor. Dice it into fried rice, add it to beans, or just slice it onto crackers. There are flavor varieties now: bacon, jalapeno, teriyaki, to keep your taste buds interested. The stigma around Spam is actually a strategic advantage. Fewer people will want to trade for it or steal it, leaving more for you. Don't let the reputation fool you. Spam has kept millions of people alive, and it will do the same for you. Number 10. Canned beef stew. Canned beef stew is the ultimate meal in a can. You open the lid, and what you have is meat, potatoes, carrots, and gravy, all pre-cooked and ready to go. It delivers a balanced mix of protein, carbohydrates, and vegetables, which makes it a rare, self-contained survival meal. You can eat it cold if you absolutely have to, but heating it over a small fire or camp stove gives you something that tastes like a home-cooked dinner. The comfort factor here is enormous. In the middle of a weeks-long crisis, a can of beef stew is a psychological anchor, not just fuel. Look for brands like Dinty Moore that have been around forever. Their products are engineered for stability. Canned stew also serves as an excellent base to stretch into more portions. Toss in an extra can of mixed vegetables or diced potatoes. Serve it over some rice, and suddenly one can is feeding 2 or 3 people. It is heavy, so it's better for a fortified home pantry than a bug-out bag, but for sheltering in place, it is an absolute must-have. Number 9 is canned corned beef hash, an old-school survival food that delivers serious calories and satisfaction in one can. This is a mix of finely chopped corned beef, potatoes, and seasonings. A single can provides a hefty amount of protein, carbohydrates, and plenty of fat for energy and satiety. The shelf life is outstanding at 2 to 5 years, and the convenience is unbeatable. Open the can, heat it in a skillet until it gets those crispy edges, and you have a meal that genuinely satisfies. Traditionally a breakfast food, starting your day with a hot, substantial meal like hash provides psychological stability and physical energy, but you can eat it for any meal. Add it to scrambled eggs if you have them, wrap it in a tortilla, or just eat it straight with a fork. The fat content, while high by normal standards, becomes a major advantage in survival mode. Fat delivers more than twice the calories per gram of protein or carbs. When food is scarce, that caloric density can be the difference between maintaining your strength or wasting away. Stock at least 15 to 20 cans. Number 8. Canned baked beans. Baked beans are the prepper's sweet and savory secret weapon. Unlike dried beans that demand hours of soaking and simmering using precious fuel, a can of baked beans is already fully cooked, seasoned, and ready to eat. You can warm them up in minutes or eat them cold if you are desperate. They are loaded with plant-based protein and fiber, and the tomato-based sauce adds both flavor and a few extra calories. Most traditional American baked beans use navy beans sweetened with brown sugar or molasses, giving them a taste that feels almost like comfort food from a summer barbecue. That mental connection matters. The shelf life is typically 2 to 3 years, and they often stay good well beyond that. They work as a side dish to Spam or canned chicken, poured over toast if you have bread, or as a filling lunch all on their own. They are cheap, available in bulk, and require nothing more than a can opener. In a world of bland rice and beans, baked beans bring a welcome change of pace. Number 7. Canned chili. Here it is. Number 7 is the one some people say might just save your life: canned chili. Not because chili is magic, but because it's a complete one-can meal that delivers serious calories, protein, and flavor when everything else feels like punishment. Quality canned chili combines beans, meat, tomatoes, and spices. You're getting protein, carbohydrates, and fat in a single can that often packs 400 to 600 calories. It can be eaten cold if the situation is desperate, but heating it up makes it a morale-restoring experience. The versatility is what makes chili strategic. Eat it straight as stew. Pour it over rice or pasta. Use it as a topping for baked potatoes if you have them. Make a quick chili mac by mixing it with macaroni. The spices and heat from the chili peppers actually have a physiological effect, warming you up and providing a sense of satisfaction that a plain bowl of beans simply cannot match. The shelf life is 2 to 4 years. Stock at least 30 cans. They will become the meals you look forward to. Number 6. Canned mixed vegetables. When fresh produce disappears, canned mixed vegetables become your vitamin and mineral insurance policy. That classic blend of peas, carrots, corn, and green beans provides a quick way to get plant-based nutrients back into your system without any cooking. Some vitamin C may decrease during canning, but the minerals and most vitamins remain stable for years. A can of mixed vegetables can be dumped directly into a soup or stew, or just heated with a little butter and salt for a simple side. The shelf life is 2 to 5 years, and they are so cheap that there is simply no excuse not to have a case of them in your pantry. They also serve as an excellent meal stretcher. Add them to a can of beef stew to make it feed more people, or mix them into rice and canned meat for a one-bowl meal. In a long-term crisis, vitamin deficiencies cause real health problems. Do not underestimate the power of a simple can of vegetables to keep your body functioning when your diet has narrowed to mostly grains and protein. Number 5. Canned diced tomatoes. Canned diced tomatoes are the flavor foundation of survival cooking. They add acidity, richness, and a burst of lycopene, a powerful antioxidant your body actually absorbs better from cooked tomatoes than fresh ones. A can of diced tomatoes can be the base for a quick chili, a sauce for pasta, or a simple soup with broth and spices. Fire-roasted versions add a smoky depth that makes a dish taste like it simmered all day, even if all you did was heat it over a camp stove. The shelf life is an easy 2 years, often much longer. They come in small and large cans. The big 28-ounce family cans are more cost-effective for a home stockpile. Canned tomatoes are not calorie-dense, so do not rely on them for energy, but their culinary power makes them absolutely essential. You can do an awful lot with a can of tomatoes, a can of beans, and a little creativity. Stock them deep. They will be the backbone of your most satisfying meals. Number 4. Canned fruit. Peaches or fruit cocktail. When you are eating rice, beans, and canned meat day after day, something sweet and refreshing can feel like a miracle for your mental health. Canned peaches packed in juice or light syrup deliver vitamin C, natural sugar, and a pleasant texture that breaks the crushing monotony. Fruit cocktail and juice is another great option that provides a mix of flavors in one can. The shelf life is solid at 1 to 2 years. The syrup or juice in the can is not waste. Use it to sweeten a bowl of oatmeal or as a base for a simple dessert. Psychological welfare is a finite resource in a prolonged emergency. The ability to crack open a can of peaches and share a small, sweet moment with your family does wonders for morale. Do not just stock calories, stock smiles. A few cases of canned fruit are worth far more than their modest cost when hard times hit. Number 3 is evaporated milk, and this fills a nutritional gap that is incredibly hard to address with dry pantry goods. This is fresh milk with about 60% of the water removed, canned, and sterilized to last 18 to 24 months on the shelf. It provides protein, calcium, and vitamin D. For children past the formula stage who still need milk for growth, having cans of evaporated milk in the pantry is a game changer. You can dilute it with water to create regular milk for drinking or cereal, use it undiluted in coffee for a rich, high-calorie boost, or add it to soups and mashed potatoes for creaminess. The caloric density is significant. Regular milk has about 150 calories per cup, while evaporated milk has over 300. When you are struggling to get enough calories, that difference matters. Don't confuse it with sweetened condensed milk, which has sugar added and is more of a dessert ingredient. Both are useful, but evaporated milk is the versatile everyday staple you need at least 12 to 24 cans of. Number 2. Canned coconut milk. Canned coconut milk might seem like an exotic pick for an emergency pantry, but it is a brilliant survival food hiding in the international aisle. It is loaded with healthy saturated fats that are stable at room temperature, providing a massive calorie boost. A single can of full-fat coconut milk can add over 700 calories to a meal, turning a thin, watery soup into a rich, filling stew. It is naturally dairy-free, which makes it a safe, precious fat source for anyone in your group who is lactose intolerant. The flavor works beautifully with rice, curry spices, canned chicken, or even stirred into oatmeal for a creamy, high-energy breakfast. The shelf life is typically 2 to 3 years. You can whip the solid cream that separates at the top of the can to make a simple dessert or blend it into coffee. In a long-term emergency where you need to pack calories into every single bite, a few cans of coconut milk are worth their weight in gold. Number 1. Canned ready-to-eat soup. And the number one canned food you need for SHTF is ready-to-eat soup. Chicken noodle, minestrone, vegetable beef, lentil soup. These are complete meals in a can. They shine in the chaotic first days of a crisis when cooking might be impossible, your stove isn't working, or you're still trying to get your situation organized and need a hot meal right now. You can heat them or, if you absolutely must, eat them cold straight from the can. The variety available in U.S. grocery stores is huge, so you can stock flavors your family actually enjoys, which means they will actually eat them. The shelf life is 18 months to 2 years. These soups provide protein, carbs, and vegetables in one convenient package, and they are easy for someone who is sick or injured to digest. In a long-term grid-down world, having a stock of ready-made soup means a comforting, hot meal is always just minutes away without digging into your separate ingredients that you need to conserve. This is the foundation. Stock 30 to 50 cans. If this video helped you think differently about what belongs in your emergency storage, hit that subscribe button and tell me in the comments, which of these canned foods is already in your pantry and which one are you going to add today? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.